Can you introduce yourself, please?
See, NGC is the global leading manufacturer of wind turbine main gearboxes and pitch and yaw. And we have a large manufacturing plant in China in a place called Nanjing. And India is the second manufacturing plant for them. We have a plant at Sri City, which is 60 kilometers away from Chennai. Today, NGC does around 13 megawatts as a single turbines, and we do 18 as a proto. So we are happy to announce that we are the leading supplier of main gearboxes globally. We work with all global OEMs, and we definitely say that we do technology to the cutting edge, to the best of standard requirement of global.
What was your main objective of participating in Wind Energy Expo?
Basically, we are one of the main component in wind. So this is really a good place for us to showcase, and we see a good enthusiasm from the suppliers and our customers, and all the OEMs are here. And this is the second year we are participating in Chennai. We see that this year the encouragement from the customers and these things are much better. That makes us to be more healthier and see the wind is growing in India also.
Right.
Thank you.
So, how has this the show like this has influenced your positioning in the market?
Yeah, it's a simple place for us to showcase all our product to our customers and to our IPPs who handles wind turbines. So this is one platform for us to showcase to everyone. So we really see this is a good opportunity for us to show our product. Today we have more than 1 lakh main gearboxes running, and in India we have lot turbines running, which we take care of service activities, and we are happy that it's a good place for us to showcase. Thank you.
So, what do you think about the concurrent events that are happening, like the conferences and the roundtable that is happening
We
alongside
really
the
see
show?
that the first day the topics and second day topic was very interesting and very connected to the wind turbines industry, and eminent people are able to speak about it, what is achievement, what could be done, and these are all the platform for people to learn and get ourselves. We really encourage such activities, and we do our best from our side.
If I ask you about a percentage growth, how much has this Wind Energy Expo influenced your percentage growth compared to the last edition that you had here?
I would say big compared to last year. This year I see the uh, growth of people coming in and the inquiry coming in are much. It's already grown in good phase. We see the people coming in directly and asking us what we could do. So it's in really a good numbers.
What do you say is one of the critical challenges that India is facing at the moment for wind energy sector?
Yeah, in wind energy sector there are certain issues with reference to more policy relaxation from the government, which will encourage the OEMs to do more. And today, the wind energy in India, the component manufacturers or OEMs are doing more to export, and they could definitely do more for India, for which the requirements on the site allocations, government policies, tariff, all those things will improve so that we could have a more installation in India years to come.
So, would you recommend this show to your competitors and other industry colleagues?
100% for sure. In fact, last time also somebody questioned us. We told them to encourage to come here. Not only we also encourage other competent component suppliers to come to India to have investments. I can proudly say that from China we have invested here in India. We see the growth and we see a good path going forward. We have a good talent available in India. That's one of the key points, and we are able to progress further.
So, any feedback for the organizers on how they can improve the show in the next edition?
One thing that I think it is always better to be here in Chennai is the place for wind, and I would definitely request please consider such a show for wind, as all the OEMs manufacturers are around this area. That's the right place for having a wind energy show. We
Any,
recommend that.
right. Any last words that you have for the organizers?
Well done. Keep it up.